Bring it slowly, Fadl.
Maya!
Okay. Hi guys, you are watching Fadl Fishing Adventure. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. We are coming in the river area today, and the kids, they are playing in this area. Most of the time we just catching the carp, and we always behind of the carp like a marigot, and we try to catching some marigot.
So what you doing? Hi. Good. Are you making the tents? Oh. Good.
Like my tent?
Yes. She's saying your tent is so small.
Hello, Fadl Abbas. What did you catch? Heavy fish. After 3 hours, you catch some fish, yeah? Slowly bring it. Slowly. Look at the swan is coming as well. Slowly. Wow. Bring it slowly, Fadl.
Maya!
Okay, very good size, Fadl. If I'm not focusing on the fishing, but we not catch any fish here. Snake eating. Okay, Aima, did you scare from this bird or no?
Yes.
You give them?
Yes.
Okay, good. Aima.
You watching for the fish go into?
You don't want to eat anything?
No.
You don't want to eat a sandwich?
I'm full.
Okay. Hello guys, we are trying now our fish. This is the last one. Then we are behind of the marigot before today, and only Fadl Abbas is catching one of the good size of carp, and we using Fadl. You just catching this one today, yeah?
Yes.
Okay, it is good size. I see when you're fighting with this king fish, you know, it is very king, yeah, big size.
Yeah.
And you're not catching any marigot, and now this is the evening time. It is dark soon, and that's why we have a plan to going home. And this is the size, and we will take with us today. Then this is the last catch, and it is time to going home, but we still keep the rod inside the water, and it's coming a little bit small size. Only 2 fish today. One of them is a little bit smaller, and the first one, it is already night. And don't forget to subscribe the channel Fadl Fishing Adventure, and see you in the next video. Bye.
'Cause I'm loving you so.